Okay, children, let us continue from the previous video clip. That is, we discussed how to use a new operation of under simplification. Now, one more heading you copy in your notebook, that is simplification of an expression. Now, as I said you earlier, if you are remembered, I said you earlier that in the next questions you will find big expressions. Now here you will find big expressions. So we will simplify those expressions. We will simplify an expression. So that's why the heading is simplification of an expression. So children, you should know the meaning of expression first. Expressions are nothing but the combination of numbers connected by the basic operations. They are called expressions. In the expression, you will find just numbers. You will find numbers, but those numbers are connected by basic operations. They are called expressions. Children, I have written two expressions on the board here. I said numbers are connected by basic operations. See, a number means a fraction, mixed fractions. These three fractions are connected by division and multiplication. Combination of basic operations. They are connected by the basic operations. They are called expressions. One more example, a fraction, four fractions are given. These four fractions are connected by division symbol, of means multiplication and addition. So the numbers, you will find the numbers in the expression. Numbers are connected by the plus, minus, multiplication and division. They are called expressions. Sorry. Now children, it is very important to know how to solve these expressions. Maybe you heard this, no? Star, important, BODMAS. It is a very important word. Actually, it is not a word, but we are created ourselves a word like BODMAS just to keep these operations in the mind, in the order. See, when we are doing simplification of these expressions, we must perform these operations strictly in the following order only. We must perform in these order only. You are not allowed to start with division. You are not allowed to start with addition. You know, no order. When we are simplifying, we should follow these order very strictly. Be careful. We cannot change the order of these operations. We cannot change the order of these operations. It is not possible. If you change the order and if you start simplifying, you will not get correct answer. Let me be clear first. So, first operation what we are doing in the simplification is bracket. In the expression, if bracket is not there, then we should simplify off. Of course, in these two example, bracket is not there. We will not find the brackets here. You are not finding the brackets here. So, we should, if we are not finding the bracket, we should simplify first off. Of course, off is also not there in the first example. So, when we are doing this second one, we can leave bracket because bracket is not there. We can leave off because off is not there. But we should start with a division compulsory. Compulsory we should start with division. Children. Then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Order should be followed strictly. So by keeping this order in the mind, as it says bracket is not there here. Off is not there here. Division, yes. So before simplifying, let us convert these mixed fractions to improper fractions, then we can simplify. So 6 1 6 plus 1, 7 by 6. divided by 9 ones are 9 plus 5, 14 by 9 into 3 threes are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Nothing is done, just converted 3 mixed fractions to improper fractions. 6 1 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 6 divided by 9 ones are 9 plus 5, 14 by 9, 3 threes are converted. Now, as the Bodemas says, first do division. How to do division? Write first fraction as it is. To do division, first we should give first fraction as it is. Change the sign. Division to multiplication. Reciprocal of 14 by 9 is 9 by 14. Only we should do the division part simplification, children. One step, one operation. That's all. In the first step, division is done. Next, this as it is, you keep it as it is. Into 10 by 3, keep it as it is. Now you got 3 multiplications number. See, multiplication means before directly doing multiplication, we should cancel the numbers. Let us cancel the numbers. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 7 and 14 cancelled under 7's a table. 7 1s are 7 2s are 6 and 9 I will cancel using 3's a table. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So here numerator 3 is there, children. Denominator 3 is there here. So this 3 1s are 3 1s are I can cancel. The numbers left in the numerators are carefully observed. 1 is there here. Only 1 is left here. And 10. Write down 1 into 1 into 10. In the denominator 2 into 2 into 1. So 2 into 2 into 1. Further I can simplify, children. Further, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. That is 1 into 1 is 1, 1 5s are 5. 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 1s are 2. You will get 5 by 2. So this 5 by 2 we can write it as mixed fraction. That is 2 2s are 4. So we can write this as 2 is to 1 by 2. We can write this as 2 is to 1 by 2. See, we should stick towards the basic operations. They are not actually they are not difficult. If we go step by step, automatically we will get the answer. So quickly let me explain this third one, children. Here bracket, we should see every time we should see this. Bracket, no brackets are there. Off. Yes, off is here. So first simplification is off. So convert mixed fractions to improper fraction first. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 plus 3 by 7. I just now said, children, off means what? Multiplication. 8 2s are 10. 10 plus 5. Sorry, 8 2s are 16. I am very sorry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5 is 21 by 8 plus 9 1s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 9. So first, which simplification we should do? Off. Here, no, this one. This simplification we should do. Off. 3 by 7 into. Off means into. 8 to the 16 plus 5, 20. This one we should select first. This part. So multiplication means what, children? Cancellation. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. So 7 and 21 cancelled. 8 and 3 I cannot cancel. Remaining numbers you write down as it is. 4 by 3. 3 into 3, 9. 1 into 8. 3 into 3, 9. 1 into 8. Plus 10 by 9 as it is. Remaining numbers we should write as it is. So now next operation after off, this is over. Now we should start division here, children. This part, division. In division we will write first fraction as it is. We will change the sign. Division to multiplication, and we should write the reciprocal of 9 by 8 is 8 by 9. So this plus 10 by 9 as it is. So I cannot cancel any number here. 3, 8, 4, 9. Not possible. It is not at all possible to cancel. So multiply. Next step is what, children? Multiplication. 8 4s are 32, 9 3s are 27, plus this 10 by 9 as it is. 10 by 9, 10 by 9, 10 by 9 as it is. 8 4s are 32, 9 3s are 27. So take LCM of 27 and 9. So 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 1s are. So 3 into 3 into 3. You will get 27 as LCM. 27 as LCM. So common factor, common denominator 27. 27 ones are 27. So 9 3s are 27. So 32 ones are 32 plus 10 3s are 30. So you got 30 plus 32 is 62 by 27. This 62 by 27 we can divide. So right answer 2s are 54. So we can write this answer as 2 is to 8 by 27. 2 is to 8 by 27. So 2 is to 8 by 27 is the answer for this expression. So like this, children, you have to follow these operations in the same order strictly to simplify step by step. In each step use only one operation, simplify it, remaining numbers keep it as it is. Next step use next operation. So like this you simplify next simplifications. Okay, thank you.